How to recover deleted Instagram posts on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted Instagram posts on iPhone. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once logged in, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now, select the post of your profile and tap on the three dots. Then, select the delete option to delete the post. To recover it, reach the three bars at the top. Next, tap on your activity and you'll find your activity. After that, tap on the post and hit the arrow icon to restore the post. Lastly, reach your profile and you will see the recovered post here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.